power room. Here we have the solar panels giving us power from the roof, and then we have our hybrid solar inverter, and from the hybrid solar inverter then we have our PV panel. So from the PV panel you can see that we have batteries around. This is our battery 1, battery 2, battery 3, battery 4, and right now, as you can see, come close, you can see that we are enjoying our solar panels from the top. These are the powers we are receiving from the panels right into this place, and then we get the power to the house. At the same time, the panels are charging the batteries. Do you get it? Now this is showing us that the solar is our priority. Meanwhile, have you seen that there is ECG here? ECG is also working, but since the solar is our priority, we are not receiving anything from the main line of the ECG. So this is how we are harvesting our solar panels. So we are always available at your service. Contact us, and then we will serve you with proper solar installations. All right, and then let's come. This is the DB. This is a DB. The automatic changeover. We have ATS1, ATS2. Do you understand? So right now, as the solar is working, the ECG has been cut off. You understand? Whenever the solar goes down, and then the ECG will start working. You understand? This is our automatic changeovers. Yes. Do you understand? It's